Today, I'm going to be showing you how to add a flashing effect on your video in Premiere Pro. So, as you can see here, I have my two clips and I want to add a flashing effect right where the cut is. So what you want to do is go into New Item right here. It looks like a little paper icon. Press it, and there's this black bar, and you're going to want to click Adjustment Layer and press OK. Then you're gonna drag your adjustment layer to your clip, and then you can make it how long or short you want, and there we go. Now what you want to do is go into your effects settings and look up tint and drag the tint effect onto your adjustment layer. Now in the effects controls, you're gonna see the tint setting and map black 2 and map white 2. What you want to do is look at the map black 2 and press the eyedropper and click the map white 2. And what that's going to do is make that one area fully white. Then what you're going to want to do is in the same effects controls, you're going to want to press this little toggle animation icon beside opacity. And then, at the very start of the clip, you're going to want to make the opacity 0. With the right arrow button, you're going to want to go a few frames forward and make the opacity somewhere around 100. What I found is good is like 95. And then you want to go to the very end and make it 0. And what that's going to do for you is make this little cool flashing effect. Let me play that again for you. And you can make this however long you want. You can tweak it in the effects controls. You can copy and paste it however you want. You can do whatever you want with it. See, I have 2 now, and there you go. That's a flashing effect. Thank you for watching.